Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 3D large printer. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, CS50S Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Creasy. Bed temp, 80. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Printing speed, 80 to 100 mm per second. Filament, PLA, ABS, wood. Power supply, 24 volts. Operating system, XP, Win 7, Mac. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Item, 3D printer kits. Model, CS50S Pro. Motor driver, TMC2208. The item number 2 is G-Tech A30T. Specifications. Brand name, G-Tech. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Maximum print size, 320 by 320 by 420 Color print speed, 60 mm per second. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Printing speed, 60 mm per second. Filament, ABS/PLA, etc. Power supply, 100 to 120 volts/200 to 240 volts. Precision, 0.4 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Zonestar Z9V5 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Zonestar. Bed temp, 115. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.36 mm. Maximum printing speed, 100 mm per second. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Diameter temp, 260. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum print size, 300 by 300 by 400 Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Slice software, Cura. Power supply, 50/60 HE, 220 watts. Precision, 0.0125 mm. Interface type, USB. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.